For more than 40 years, Viking Plastics has provided injection molding and value-added assembly services. Our headquarters in Corry, Pennsylvania, and facilities in Kentucky and Indiana serve customers throughout North America. And our partnerships with Polycast in China and Injaquali in Brazil allow us to serve customers throughout the world. Our locations house more than 100 injection molding machines ranging from 50 to 720-ton molding. We also offer internal tool build capabilities. Viking Plastics has established a culture of lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. We hold daily drumbeat meetings that help every employee think like a process engineer. Thanks to our team, we can exceed customer expectations, such as our PPM defective rate of less than 1 and on-time delivery rate of over 99%. State-of-the-art technology in our world-class lab allows us to maintain tight tolerances. Our coordinate measurement machine confirms part specifications, and the shape grabber produces a full scan, showing any possible improvements. Viking's experience to match highly visible, color-specific interior parts using our Spectrophotometer assures we meet our customers' high standards of correct color, gloss, and texture. Viking Plastics sets the standards for quality injection molded parts in a number of industries. Our automotive functional products improve efficiencies under the hood and dash, reducing weight with metal-to-plastic product conversions and lowering costs. Viking Plastics helps customers in the automotive industry efficiently design products, launch programs, and minimize lifecycle cost. We manufacture various parts in numerous colors for the automotive interior industry that not only meet and exceed OEM standards, but have a beautiful Class A finish. We serve major automakers worldwide, fulfilling color and visual standard requirements for seating, door, and dash modules. Viking's products and tooling engineering expertise helps our fluid handling customers improve efficiency and eliminate leaks. In the HVAC industry, Viking produces a variety of caps, external covers, brackets, internal structure components, and custom molded components, minimize leaks, reduce warranty claims, and improve assembly line processes. Our tonnage range allows us to meet a variety of plastic component needs. Our diverse industry portfolio includes components for industrial applications, including filter housings, battery casing, lawn and garden, appliance, and specialty packaging. Viking Plastics utilizes two-shot injection molding, a process that reduces the number of machines required to mold two materials into one part. Viking Plastics' capabilities include a variety of assembly techniques used at multiple phases in the manufacturing process. We use ultrasonic welding, which joins plastic components together using high-frequency, ultrasonic acoustic vibration, a process commonly used for fluid and air management. Viking Plastics also helps our clients eliminate the use of cast metal and reduces weight with our metal-to-plastic conversion solutions. You can touch and feel a prototype of your part in days, not weeks or months, thanks to Viking Plastics' 3D printing capability. And Viking Plastics' experienced program management team always makes sure your project is a success.
I'm Kelly Goodsell, President of Viking Plastics. I want to encourage you to visit our facilities, whether it's our corporate headquarters and main plant in Corry, Pennsylvania, or our other manufacturing facilities around the United States, China, or Brazil. The level of quality assurance and program management that we offer our clients is truly unique. We want you to witness our strong company culture that is the foundation of who we are at Viking Plastics. And I invite you to meet with us and see it firsthand.